Prefab homes are a great antidote to the delays, inefficiencies, and cost blowouts of a traditional home build, as they are built in a factory and are then able to be quickly assembled on site. Prefab homes offer a variety of features that can help you beat the heat and enjoy your home to the fullest, from innovative building materials to advanced cooling systems. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. Now today we'll tell you about top 10 best prefab houses of 2023. Now before going further, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest exciting updates on our channel. Let's get started. The number one prefab home is KODA Loft. The KODA Loft is a 300 square feet home that features one bedroom, one bathroom, and an open kitchen living area. It has large glass windows that let in lots of natural light and help make this tiny home feel more spacious. The KODA Loft by Kodasema can be placed anywhere with level ground. The base price for the KODA Loft starts at $95,000 and the KODA Loft Extended starts at $125,000. 2. Connect Homes. Connect Homes' modular design makes it easy for you to configure your dream abode for your family. Single story or double, short or long. Simply connect different modules to accommodate the number of bedrooms and bathrooms your family needs. With 15 different models to choose from, they have something for everyone. Connect Homes is between $250 to $400 per square foot depending on the model. 3. Unity Homes. Many pre-built homes have boxy designs, large sliding glass doors, and modern styling. It can be challenging to find something eco-friendly and has a look of a more traditional build. Look no further than Unity Homes. Based out of New Hampshire, their homes don't look out of place amongst other traditional New England homes. And best yet, they even have affordable green prefab homes. The cost of Unity Homes starts from $2 per square feet. 4. Big Box by Burt and May. Based out of London, Burt and May offer a range of stylish prefabricated homes, or boxes, as they call them. The Big Box comes with one bedroom, but you can also get 2-bedroom or studio boxes. These eco-friendly prefab homes are clad in reclaimed lumber and feature handmade tiles. They even have a green living roof. I mean, who doesn't want a garden? 5. Arc Shelter. Michelle DeBacker and Martin McCovcack designed the award-winning Arc Shelter to help people reconnect with nature. Since this prefab home is made entirely out of wood, you can place this modular home even in remote locations. For $194, the Shelter S module offers everything you want it to without making the mistake of being cluttered and overcrowded. 6. Bamboo Living House. It's hard to find green prefab homes, but Bamboo Living does it. They offer various affordable floor plans, depending on whether you are looking to add a guest house out in your garden or build a home for your family. These are not your typical prefabricated homes, though. Bamboo Living, as you might have probably guessed, uses sustainable bamboo for construction. With the signature model, even the house frame comes constructed from bamboo. All the materials used meet the qualifications for LEED certification. Bamboo finished homes cost start from $170 per square foot. 7. Blue Homes. Blue Homes is a prefab home designer and manufacturer based in Vallejo, California. They have 4 different styles of single-family homes and addiz, with floor plans ranging from 605 to 2140 square feet. Homes are constructed in an off-site factory and are delivered with appliances, LED lighting, tile cabinets, countertops. Interior paint and HVAC. Already installed homes can be built, delivered, and move-in ready in less than 3 months. After permits are approved and manufacturing begins, the price and cost estimate for a Blue Homes prefab home range from $270 to $830+ per square foot. These estimates are all inclusive, which means they include the cost of the home labor, shipping, and site work. 8. Bowen Structure. Steel doesn't often come to mind when thinking about eco-friendly building materials. But unlike wood or concrete, you can reuse it again and again. Bowen Structures' prefab housing system is slightly different from others we have looked at. The energy-efficient construction is net zero energy ready and can easily qualify for other green building certifications like LEED and Passive House. Bowen Structures homes cost about $250 per square foot. 9. EcoCraft Homes. EcoCraft Homes is another company building prefab houses designed to meet Passive House standards for energy efficiency. Their building process utilizes precision equipment that ensures your home will be airtight, maximizing energy efficiency and air quality. The cost estimates for a prefab home from EcoCraft range from about $190 to $250 plus per square foot. 10. Bright Built Homes. Bright Built Homes is another New England-based company focused on building net zero energy prefabricated homes. They have 9 designs to choose from, many of which look like traditionally built homes. But their modular construction means that they are available at an affordable price. They use all low VOC finishes and Energy Star rated fixtures. You can choose sustainable flooring and install the best water-saving showerhead to make your home even more eco-friendly. The base price of Bright Built Homes is $275, $325/SCEFT. And that's all of today's video. Let me know in the comments which house model you like the most, and which of these houses you'll be building this summer. If you like this video about amazing innovative prefab houses, thumbs up and share in your circle with your family and friends.